Hello guys, this is Haskell with WTI, and today I'm really excited to show you why I love this duffel bag so much. This wonderful 65-liter duffel bag from Canway was made for us travelers who like to take everything we need without it being too bulky. It can be used for camping trips, gym, or carry-on luggage. It has room for all the outfits you would need on a one-week summer or spring holiday. And it has several pockets for you to put your underwear, socks, or any smaller pieces of clothing. The zippers are heavy duty metal, so you won't have to worry about breaking them for being too harsh like me. It also has this pocket right here, which is to keep your shoes or dirty laundry ventilated. This little holes right here is what makes it odor resistant. And the color is great as well because any dust or stain won't really show. I chose this gray color because it goes well with the backpack I have and also my suitcase. And the most amazing feature about this duffel bag is that it's foldable. So once you take all your things out, you can just fold it back and put it anywhere, even in a drawer, under your pillow, I don't know, just anywhere. I am pretty sure that by now you've fallen in love with this duffel bag just like I did the first time I saw it. I think it's very practical. The color is wonderful because the dust won't show, so you don't have to wash it all the time. And you can take it anywhere, even to the gym if you want to. And yeah, I love this duffel bag, but that's just my point of view.